Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 14, 2024, our system has classified Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.15. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the ETF has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 46.13% since we initially recommended purchasing Ishares Bitcoin Trust 41 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.13% each day since it was listed as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a robust and upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of continued growth. Current projections for the 3-month trend suggest a potential change of approximately 79.31%, with expected returns ranging between 58.54% and 91.47%. In terms of the 12-month trend, forecasts indicate a change of about 35.35% over the upcoming year, with potential returns spanning from negative 14.32% to 42.83%. This implies a future price range between $47.04 and $78.41 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price increased by approximately 0.311% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024. The price rose from $54.73 to $54.90. Throughout the trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 4.4%, ranging from a low of $53.63 to a high of $55.99. Over the last 2 weeks, the price has demonstrated a gain of 1.63%. Trading volume decreased by 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 48 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $2.63 billion. It is important to note that declining volume during periods of rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially signaling upcoming changes in the next few days. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $59.16, while the lowest was $22.02. Currently, the price sits at 7.2%, or $4.26, below the 52-week high of $59.16, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments in the Bitcoin ETF market have significantly boosted investor enthusiasm. As of December 9th, Bitcoin ETFs have surpassed $100 billion in assets under management, highlighting a growing appetite for cryptocurrency investments. Notably, following the recent Trump win, approximately $10 billion has flowed into a variety of Bitcoin ETFs, spurred by optimism for a cryptocurrency-friendly regulatory landscape. The heightened interest is reflected in the impressive 38.8% rally of the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF this past November, underscoring robust demand amid a volatile market. This positive momentum could translate into stronger performance for IBIT in the near term. Additionally, BlackRock's introduction of Bitcoin ETF options on November 19th has opened new avenues for institutional participation, potentially anchoring cryptocurrencies further into mainstream financial portfolios. This strategic move signifies a pivotal moment for IBIT and could attract additional inflows from both retail and institutional investors. In the short term, these factors may support increased stock prices, while the long-term outlook remains favorable as Bitcoin continues to garner attention, especially as it approaches the $100,000 mark once again. The following signals have been identified for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust Exchange Traded Fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF, indicating a positive forecast. In the event of further gains, the ETF may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $55.60. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $48.35. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Additionally, some negative signals were issued, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Friday, December 6, 2024, and thus far, it has fallen by 5.02%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 44 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 59 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 43 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 43 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 41 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $52.13 and $51.04. There is an inherent risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a breach of this level may lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this situation, Ishares Bitcoin Trust has support just below today's level at $52.13. If this level is broken, the subsequent support from accumulated volume would be at $51.04 and $43.40. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $2.36 between its high and low, which represents 4.4%. For the past week, the fund has shown a daily average volatility of 4.81%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust is at $55.90. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust encounters its first support level at $52.13. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $52.05, reflecting a decrease of 5.19%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good investment? The Ishares Bitcoin Trust presents several negative indicators, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it could also be seen as a hold or accumulation opportunity while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of December, we anticipate that the Ishares Bitcoin Trust will open lower by 6 cents and begin trading at $54.84. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to be responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.